Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Jain and today I'm just gonna explain you how you can set up the SOAP UI with the Eclipse. As we all know, SOAP UI just get used for testing the web services, right? That you can do it in the Eclipse itself, right? So for doing that, the very first step is you have to download, the SOAP UI plugin for Eclipse. So this is this is the URL, right, which where you can go and you can search for the SOAP UI plugin for Eclipse. Let me just show you how it would look like. Once you just click on this link, you will be prompted to this page, right? This may differ when you will be logging because there are a lot of advertisement that gets changed over the period of time. So here you can see this SOAP UI Eclipse plugin, right? Here you have to go to 4.0.1. So whenever you will be going here, whatever the latest folder you can see, you have to just click on that. Then you will be prompted to this page. Here you can see this SOAP UI Eclipse plugin zip. You have to click on this and your download will get started, right? So I have already downloaded this. Let me just show you how what exactly you will get. Okay, so this is the zip file which you will be getting once your download is done, right? So next step is you have to just unzip this, right? So how are you gonna do the unzip? I think everybody knows that how to unzip the file. Just right click on that and just unzip. So I just unzip this file over here, right? So you can see this is my unzip file, right, which has the features plugin inside. So now the next step is, so just go to the Eclipse, right, click on window. Oh sorry, first you have to go to the help because you have to install the SOAP UI. Select on install new software. Right here you can see this, there is nothing you can see. You can click on available software site, you can just type it whatever you want to search over here. You can see for the available software site as well. But since I have already downloaded the plugin in my local, so I'm just directly going to the add. Here you can see this local, click on local, right? It will ask you where you have that SOAP UI plugin which you have already unzipped. So let me just go over there. So here it is. Now I have this in software. Let me just go down so that I can just find out that here is my SOAP UI Eclipse plugin. Let me just okay this. You can give any name whatever you want. I'm just gonna give SOAP UI. Just press OK button. Right now, click on this. Right, once you just click on this finish, this next button will be enabled for you. Since I have already installed this, that's why my button is not getting enabled over here. So the moment you will click on this, your next step, this next button will be enabled. You have to keep clicking on until you just get the finish button. So once it is installed, it will be throwing some messages like this unauthorized content and all those stuff. You have to simply put okay, right? So once you are done with this, right, you have to to restart your Eclipse. So I have already restarted my Eclipse. Now you have to go to the window, then you have to go to the show view, then come here in other, click on this. Now you can see you will be prompted to this page. You have to come down, you have to search for this. So once once your once installation is done successfully, you will see SOAP UI over here. Then you will see the SOAP UI log and SOAP UI navigator. You have to click on the SOAP UI navigator and press OK. It will take a while to just come over here. You will see this another the tab after console which will say SOAP UI. So let me just go back to the what I have that I have already explained you. These are the steps which you can also follow. So this deck will also help. If you are not follow along with my video, you can always just go come here and you can see what all step you have to take right now. So these are the WSDL file, right? I have just picked up for the demo so that I can check whether the SOAP UI is working fine or not, right? So what I have to do is I have to, so now you can see this SOAP UI navigator, right? This will come here when you will first you will launch it from the window, and you can just take it from here to Project Explorer, right? You can see the project, click on this new SOAP UI project. I'm just gonna make it third web service testing. Whatever you want to give name, you can give it, but here you have to give the VSDL, what VSDL you want to test, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy this. So this is my VSDL. I'll just put it over here. Just forget about these options. Once you will the comprehensive knowledge about the SOAP, you will easily understand all these options which are mentioned over here. But by default you have clicked this create sample request for all operations. Just press OK, right? So see, this has been, what it will do, it will just read the WSDL file, and whatever the message and the operation you have exposed as a web service, you will see over here. I have this get shop info, I will get the request. So let me just click on this, right? It will just give me the, right now you can see this is my request, and this is the argument which I have to pass it over here. I know what I have to do over here. So if I have give shop name, right? So, and after giving the argument, whatever argument is required, just press this button to run this, and you will see this, right? Shop name is the invalid input. So this is the response which I was expecting from this. Similarly, you can use your VSDL the way I have explained you, and you can just provide in the request box, you can provide the argument, and you can just hit the play button. That will give you the response. That's it for to just set up the SOAP UI plugin with the Eclipse. Thanks for watching this. If you have any question, just leave the comment in the comment box and I will be responding. If you have any doubt, please feel free to put that in a comment. Thank you very much for watching this.